Hey everyone, welcome back to Azul Hair Collection's YouTube channel. My name is Nick. I'm the owner of Azul Hair Collection, and this is a place where we do a lot of hair extension tutorials, and this is the home of the giveaway. So if you like that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss out. Now in today's video, I want to share with you a new service that we're offering. Now, are you one of those people that like color in your hair extensions but either don't have the know-how to do it yourself or don't want to pay the extra money to take it to a stylist? Well, we have a solution. We are now offering professional hair coloring services on our hair extensions. I mean it, like anything that you can possibly think of as far as hair color is concerned, we are more than likely able to do it. Let me show you how. The first thing you're going to do is go to our store, azulhaircollection.com, pick out whichever hair extension and texture that you want. If you want clip-ins, like I'm wearing today, lace front wig, full lace wig, bundle set with closure, just bundles, whatever you desire, go ahead and add that to your cart. Next, you're going to choose our color service product, and there on that page, you will see where you can upload a photo. Now this part is very important. Make sure you definitely upload a photo because, well, we won't know what to color your hair, but also to upload a detailed, clear photo so we can clearly see what you want us to do. Yeah, a photo like this, or like this, or like this is perfect. Once you've uploaded your photo, then add that to your cart and continue to checkout. With our color service, our refund policy and return policy still stands. Now, if you haven't shopped with us before, just to let you know, we have a 7-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like your hair extensions for whatever reason, just let us know. Shoot us an email. We'll send you a return label and you can send it back to us for a full refund. Now, the thing is, you can't have worn the hair, washed the hair. Pretty much the state that it was sent to you, it has to be returned back in that state to qualify for a full refund. Our HT lace items right now, we are not doing custom color service. Maybe one day we'll get to it, but not at this moment. So we have our Swiss transparent lace, our Swiss brown lace, and also our flawless lace, which I love, that you can all get custom colored. Lastly, our color match service is not going to be exact like your photo. We do our best to come as close as we can, but depending on if you want an ombre, a balayage, we look at your photo and we try to get as close as we can. So just keep that in mind. We get very close, but it won't be exact. Well, that's our video for today. Of course, we do a giveaway on every video, and you know what I'm going to be doing is giving away a free color service. Actually, I'm going to give away 3 free color services. So to the first 3 people to comment something below or ask a question, it could be whatever, I will send you a coupon code so you can go to our website, and when you're ready to purchase your hair extensions with your custom color, you can use that and get it absolutely free. Thank you so much for tuning into our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell button, as you do not want to miss out on these giveaways, and we love seeing you. So until next time, ciao!